have flashcard for you. Okay, many flashcard about animals. Okay, this one is cat. Cat, or in Indonesia, is kucing. What sound of cat? Meow, meow, meow. Okay. Next, this one is frog. Frog in bahasa Indonesia is kata or kodok. Okay. What sound of frog? Wabak, 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 wabak. Next, this one is monkey. Monkey. This one monkey. What sound of monkey? What sound of monkey? Yes. Oh, ah, oh, ah. Next, this one is bird. Burung, bird. What sound of bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. And this one, dog. What sound of dog, friends? Dog or anjing, ya. Dog. What sound of dog? Gimana bunyinya? Oh, wow, wow, oh, wow, wow, wow. And next, this one, lion. Okay, lion. What sound of lion? Roar, roar, like that. Okay. And next, this one, cow. Cow. Okay. What sound of cow? Moo. Moo. Okay. And I have this one, rabbit. Rabbit or kelinci. And next, turtle. What sound of turtle? Nggak ada bunyinya. Okay, turtle is kura-kura. Enough. Nah, videonya diulang-ulang ya di rumah biar anaknya ingat. Okay, friends.